shopping for groceries.
Excuse me, can you help me find a few things?
Of course. What do you need?
I need milk, eggs, and bread.
Milk and eggs are at the back of the store.
Thank you.
Bread is in aisle 2.
Aisle 2. Okay.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I also need rice.
Rice is in aisle 5.
Great.
The signs above each aisle can help too.
I did not notice them.
That is okay. The store is quite big.
Yes, it is bigger than I expected.
Many people say that.
Do you sell fruit here too?
Yes, near the entrance.
Oh, I walked past it.
Many customers do.
I may buy some apples too.
The apples are very fresh today.
Good to know.
The bananas are also on sale.
Oh, that is nice.
Do you have a shopping bag?
No, I forgot mine.
You can buy one at the checkout.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Where are the checkouts?
At the front of the store.
Are there self-service machines?
Yes, on the left side.
Good. I only have a few things.
Then self-service may be easier.
That sounds good.
Is there anything else you need?
No, I think I know where everything is now.
Great.
Thank you for being so helpful.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.